So guys, it is Xiaomi Mi 11 and it is a fast device of 2021 and you will be shocked. It sells 3,50,000 unit in only 5 minutes and it only launched in China. It is a super hyped device. It is a fast device of this year, but it is super hyped because it has some special thing, like it is a fast device which comes with Snapdragon 888, which is a Snapdragon latest processor which comes with 5nm texture, and it comes with 6.8 inches quad LED display and you will get 1500 nits brightness, and it has 120Hz refresh rates for 80Hz sample rate. So from all those specifications you can guess why this device is so much hyped. So I was totally shocked when I was watching this product showcase or its launch event, and when I read its specification I was totally shocked, because on this price, in this budget segment, it comes with great features. I was totally shocked. So in this video we are going to talk about this most extreme phone of this year. It is the starting of the year, but it is already everyone is saying that it is the most extreme phone of this year, and right now it is the world most fastest Android smartphone. So in this video I am going to talk about Xiaomi Mi 11 and I will review it for you guys. So if you are interested about this product, please watch the video till the end. And you are watching Techverse. I am your Chowdhury. So let's start the video. In 2020, in the last moment, Xiaomi launched Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra, which was a super hyped device, and most of the tech reviewers were saying that it is one of the best mobile of this year. So now Xiaomi Mi 11, in starting of the year, it is the best product I can say, because you can guess why it is the best product. It comes with Snapdragon 888 and 6.8 inches quad LED display with 8GB or 12 gigs of RAM. You will get 1500 nits brightness, you will get 480Hz start sampling rate, 120Hz refresh rate, Harman Kardon certified speaker, 4600 ampere battery, and 55 watt fast charging supported with reverse charging. So let's talk about its design and build quality. So first of all, it comes with a uncommon design, you can say. You can see the camera spacing, it is quite unique, you can say, not typical, and it comes with leather finishing back and it is looking great. I love this. It comes with many color variant. Design is good and they are trying to make something unique, and it is their result. So in terms of design I was so much happy. In terms of display, it comes with 6.81 inches Super AMOLED QHD plus resolution display, which supports 120Hz refresh rate, and its sample rate is touch sample rate is 480Hz, and it comes with 1500 nits brightness, which is the highest amount in a smartphone, and it can produce 1 billion color. Also it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is the latest product from Corning Gorilla Glass. So in terms of display is top notch right now, and if we talk about it real life using experience, it was great, and you can say now it is the one of the best display right now in Android segment, because if you compare with Note 20 Plus or Note 20 Ultra, it is about close to them. So display quality was super impressive. If you are a entertainment and video lover who watches most of the times movies or YouTube videos, and who plays games, any types of user, it is the best display, you can say, because its design and its implement on the device, its edges, everything is top notch, and it was battery super smooth, and its color punchiness, everything was great. So in terms of display section you will get more than you are expecting. So I have said already that it comes with Snapdragon 888 processor, which is a Qualcomm latest processor, and it built on 5nm architecture, and you will get Adreno 660 GPU also. And in software section you will get Android 11 out of the box and Mi UI 12.5, and I was so much shocked because now Mi UI is great because it's implemented with Android 11, which was superb. I loved it because you can see that everything is organized and UI is clean and super smoother and faster, you can see. So in terms of hardware or software section, you are getting everything perfect. So if we talk about its Snapdragon 888 performance, now it is the highest processor of Android section. I'm not talking about Apple's Bionic processor. So if you compare with Snapdragon last generation processor, which was in Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, you can see the Geekbench score difference. It is now beat in every section, single core or multi-core every section. So Snapdragon 888 is the best processor and fastest processor right now, so you don't have to worry about your using experience. If you are using for your daily to daily life, if you are using for heavy gaming, if you are using for daily work, you don't have to face any problem or you don't have to tension for it. It comes with latest and greatest software, service and also hardware, so everything was great in this section. And if you talk about its RAM performance, it comes with latest RAM, and which is DDR5, and it is 8GB or 12 gigs of RAMs. You will get out of the box UFS 3.1 storage, and storage variant is 128GB or 256GB storage. So everything is top notch. You will get a latest, everything is latest in terms of specification. So in camera section, it comes with 108 megapixel main shooter, and you will get a 13 megapixel wide angle camera, and also you will get a 5 megapixel macro shooter. And in selfie section, you will get 20 megapixel sensor. It supports 8K recording on back camera, so everything is great. And in terms of camera performance, it was also good. It is the mainly the Mi Note 10 camera, you can say. We know that Mi Note 10 was the first device which one comes with 108 megapixel, and it is the same sensor, and the performance was same, you can say, like Mi Note 10. It is in camera section, it is not top notch like a Note 20 Plus or other devices. You can compare with it OnePlus 8T or other phones at all, but the camera performance was also good. In terms of macro lens, I was happy because most of the device macro camera lens is not good at all, but in this device they implemented it in good way. Micro camera performance was very good, you can see, and back camera performance, 108 megapixel camera performance was very good. Dynamic range was perfect, sharpness, details, everything was great. If we compare with Samsung Note 20 series of phone, in terms of detail it is better in Mi 11. So in camera section it is enough good, but you cannot compare with its flagship like Samsung devices because its price difference also is very big. So in terms of camera section, you will not have to tension about this because camera performance enough good. In selfie you will get 20 megapixel shooter, which was also good, and it comes with some new features like night vision mode. Mainly it comes with night video mode. It is a super impressive new feature from Mi UI. So everything was good in camera section. Also all the picture was punchy and good sharpness, everything was good. In battery section you will get 4600 mAh battery, and you will get 55 watt fast charging support, and it supports 50 watt wireless charging also, and also reverse charging. So in this section you are getting top notch specs also. So in terms of battery performance, you will get 6 hour SOT, it means screen on times. It is good, I can say, because this display is superb, because it comes with 6.18 larger display which supports 120 Hz refresh rates, and there have lots of AI feature what is running on background and lots of apps. So 6 hour is enough good for me also and everyone, I can say, because you cannot expect more in this type of flagship device. But many users need more battery backup, and it is not will be good for there because it comes with only 4600 mAh battery and its battery life is 6 hours. So if you are playing games full day on phone, it is not will be much more greater you. But it has on another extra feature, so it supports 55-watt fast charging, so you can guess its charging speed will be super blazing, because you will can charge your device within 1 hour. So you don't have to worry about your 6 hour battery backup. If you are going outside, then you have to charge your device only 5 to 10 minutes, and you can see that your mobile will be charged to 20-30%. So in battery section it was good, but it was not best, I can say. Let's talk about its some extra feature, like it comes with Harman Kardon certified stereo speaker, which is great, because and its sound quality was so much good. I am appreciating their Harman Kardon certification, because it is great. It is great. And in terms of Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, you will get everything top of the notch, highest and latest version. So if I talk about its summary, Xiaomi Mi 11, I can say it is the best device right now on Android platform, because if we compare with Chinese price, it comes with 3999 yuan. If you convert it to USD, it comes with 600 USD or 620 USD. So in this great price range, it comes with latest and greatest software and hardware, and its performance and implement was great. And we know that Xiaomi is a well-known brand at all. So it was the best, I can say. If you are interested to buy this device, it is recommended for you. There have no problem on this device at all, I can say. But we have to use a more long term also, then we can say that it has any problem yet. So it in globally it will launch within month, and I hope that in globally it price will be much more compared to $600. It can be $700 to $800 also. But if it comes with $700 to $800, so it will be flagship killer, I can say, because if you compare with other brands product, they are not offering you these types of implement and these types of specs on this price. But one point disappointed me, which is charger out from the mobile box. In China they are not packing charger in the main box, but if you need charger, you can say them, they will provide you in China. But in globally what will be happen, we don't know at all. So today in this video I tried my best to explain you about Xiaomi Mi 11. So if you are interested about this product, you can obviously buy this, recommended for you. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more qualityful tech videos like it. So that's it for today. Bye bye.